Yeah, they down with this. Cause they down with this. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our Super 8 Schools New Zealand Rugby Union competition, where Gisborne Boys High School are taking up Hamilton Boys High School round 6 first 15 rugby competition. 35-minute halves. Gisborne Boys playing in the dark blue or black with the red numbers. Clean sweep, excuse me. Hands there. Backdoor play. Short ball angle. Strong carry. Toby Wales, tāne. Numbers on the short side, but on the face ball. On the overs line. Shrugs off the defender. Brings the ball back around a bit closer to the posts. First try. Given to Hakopa. Māwaia e tū. Māwaia e aukati. Tēnā Mawaru. Hitting and spinning. Close to the line is Corbin Dunlop. Van der Heijden again. Too strong. Turned back into the pack. Short once again. Me pēhea e kore ai e whai piro. Auware ake. Kirikiriroa. And cut short. Metre out of the Gisborne line. Strong defence once again from the hometown boys. Very difficult to keep them at bay. There's 7 who have named the first time this season. There's 1 making his debut. Another try. This is Liam Van der Heijden. Not hiding at all today. And he blasts his way up the middle as our Hape Pekev, supported strongly by our Namawaru. Corbin Dunlop. Arms out for an advantage as well. Another long ball, face ball to our number 13, Oliver Gurin. Chop down, metre out. Brown to the Taha Maui, splitting the defence. And Gisborne are in. A skip pass there from left to right. Cleared nicely by Ruin Ludwig. Nate with the ball. Beats one. Fends off two. Still going is Nathan. Nathan pumping his legs. Making his way around a bit closer to the Pogoda. Watch out for Lachlan Ross. He's been a standout as he's come onto the field with his vision. This is Ross guiding his crew. Letting his fours know that we're all over them. PNGs for Bricky. Little nudge over the defensive line, kind bounce and picked up cleanly there by Hamilton. Wheels here by Oliver Gurin. Gurin still going, ankle tapped on the shoelaces. Turns the ball back on the inside. Strong defence to flip back with a miracle pass there to Nathan. Nathan in for a second try here. Hamilton boys, kei whea mai. Frustrating that the boys aren't where they normally are in terms of this format. Nice little wraparound play there from Gizzy, but unfortunately gone to ground there. Cruz Kohepa Casey, and fully deserving of this Peter's Maxwell cutter. Backdoor play, face ball going right. This guy's dangerous. Katu Pato Kiaya, a bit of an in and away. Tana Piro Tuatoru. Here's Nathan with the shrug. Shows the generosity to be able to hand it over. In for a try. Ana ko tō te rā, ki runga I tēnei kemu I tēnei tukinga e hoa mā, hoki mai koutou a te rā wiki, ko ngā kau te whakamutunga, whiti te kau mātahi ki Kirikiriroa, e rima ki te kapa o Tūranga-nui-a-Kiwa, ko moi ho husband.
Everybody that I know,
Yeah, they down with this.
Pātai atu ki mai iwi.
Cause they down with this.